In today's video, I'm going to teach you correct size. We're creating a clean, professional 1 by 1 inch ID picture in Canva from start to finish. This tiny square is a common requirement for applications and IDs, and when set up correctly, it will come out crisp and ready to use. Before we begin, have a clear, well-lit photo ready on your computer or phone, ideally with a plain background and your face centered. Go ahead and open Canva in your browser or app. On the home screen, click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. This is where we tell Canva exactly what we need. Change the units to inches, then enter width, 1, and height, 1. When you use inches here, Canva automatically calculates the pixel dimensions for you, which gives you a 300 by 300 pixel canvas. Great for a sharp, high-quality result. Click. Create New Design and a blank square canvas will open. Next, upload your photo. Click Uploads on the left panel and upload your file. A higher resolution image will scale down better, so use the best version you have. Once it appears in your uploads, drag the photo onto the canvas. It should snap into place and fill the square. If it doesn't fully cover the canvas, drag the corners to scale it up until there are no white borders showing. Double-click the photo to adjust the position inside the frame. Take a moment to center your face, leave a little space above your head, and make sure your shoulders are visible if required. Avoid stretching. Keep the proportions natural. When you're happy with the framing, it's time to download. Click Share in the upper right corner, then choose Download. For the file type, PNG is a great choice for maximum clarity, while JPG is perfect if you need a smaller file size. Unless your submission specifies one, either works well. Click Download and save it to a folder you can easily find. That's it. You've just created a perfect 1 by 1 inch ID photo. If you ever need to make another one, you can reuse the same custom size and simply swap the photo. Remember, the crucial parts are selecting inches, entering 1 by 1 as your dimensions, filling the canvas, and using double-click to fine-tune your composition. This ensures your final image is exactly the correct size and looks professional every time. And that's how to create a perfect 1 by 1 ID picture in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.